What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in my live stream today, I talked about XRP, and it was a phenomenal live stream. All the people that were there that wanted to converse about XRP and the future of it. Some people believing that XRP may not be worth as much as it is. I truly believe that XRP is going to be worth a lot more. It is my game changer position where I still feel like a lot of the positions that I have are going to be absolutely massive, and I'm going to see those flourish as well. I just think XRP in the form of utility, in the form of kind of taking over, in the economy, I feel like it's just going to be a game changer there in changing what we use, where we're currently using either cash or credit or debit, or basically banks where we're using the fiat currency with whatever is in that bank for that country. But with XRP, we're going to see so much more than that. And I'm excited for what it will be. I just released a video earlier today talking about, the world currency and how it will be the world currency. And I truly believe that it will be. It's fast, it's efficient, it's secure. It's just everything that we really need within that. Now, some people believe other positions will be that, and it's 100% understandable for you guys to have your own opinion on what will be there. But I just feel like XRP has the name, it has the speed, it has the security, it has the privacy, it has everything again that we need to really be that for at least the country that I live in, right? So let's talk about XRP. Let's talk about my purchases of XRP that I've made more recently and how that's not going to stop. How those purchases are just going to get more aggressive because I do believe in where XRP can be. Now, I want to preface this video by saying, look, this is my decision on making these moves into XRP and going kind of all in on this position. And this is a different definition of all in, to where it's like, I'm not only going all in on one day where I only have $1,000 on that day or that week, but as I get more money, I'm investing more money into XRP because I truly believe that that position is going to be worth so much more than we think. And there's going to be a lot of people that are kind of left behind, but people that join a little bit later that will still end up being happy with where this can go. So let's take some time to talk about this, guys. If you could, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Now, another thing, if you guys want to go over to my Margex account, or if you want to go over to Margex and sign up for Margex and start trading with Margex, definitely do that. You can trade up to 100x leverage on BTC, 100x leverage on BNB, 100x leverage on Ethereum. You can also trade 50x leverage on XRP right here, as well as have a great platform to really go through a lot of this stuff with. Now, the screen looks a little bit small because I have it on my screen that's kind of blown up, so it kind of looks weird. But on my main screen over here, it looks amazing. You can set it up however you want to set it up, and you can add indicators, and those indicators will dynamically change. Not only can you do all of that stuff, you can also, like I said, leverage, but you can buy the market and you can also short the market. So if you're looking to play both sides, you have that platform to do so. So definitely check out this platform. I really, really like it. The link is in the description, and they are a partner with the channel for good reason. I mean, they've done so much for this platform to make it really, really good compared to even something like Coinbase or Binance or any of those platforms to rival those platforms. It's just a shame that it doesn't get the amount of volume or attention that they get, because I like what their platform is doing. I like the fact that you're able to dynamically update these indicators. So for day traders, it's not difficult. If you have a setup that you like, that setup translates to the next thing that you bring up. So definitely go and check that out. Link will be in the description. But let's take some time to talk about XRP. If we look at the entire market, the current market is sitting down about 2%, and we're seeing it at a $1.65 trillion market cap. XRP is currently up in the last hour, but also down in the last 24 hours, down by 3%. We're seeing it at 62, almost 62 cents. I ended up buying some today. I bought some the day before that. I bought some like a couple of days before that. The reason why is because I saw an opportunity. While I had $2,000 worth of XRP before, I currently have $5,000 worth of XRP right now, which is my net invested is 5,390 at an average of 65 cents because I just continued to add more. And I guess they brought in my average from before where I switched it over. It should be at a lot less of an average, but it should be still closer to 60 cents because I purchased most of mine at the level of about 60 cents or so. So if I purchased $3,000 worth at 60 cents, I purchased another thousand at like 50 cents and another thousand at 39. Either way, I would still be closer to 60 cents, but that shouldn't be my cost basis. Right now, it's about 17% of my portfolio, but I just recently purchased more. I purchased $1,000 more of XRP. So I currently have, if I go to my assets and see exactly what the count is, I currently have 8,322 XRP, and I don't plan on stopping there. I plan on buying a lot more because I feel like it's worth it. I feel like XRP will be a game changer. We look at what Ripple is doing, and I know they're separate, right? Ripple is the parent company. XRP is the cryptocurrency, the position that could be implemented within that payment system and is implemented within the payment system. It's there. While you have banks that are working with Ripple, these banks can function under any type of asset, any type of asset that they have within that platform. And the one asset that sits there is going to be XRP. XRP being that easy to use kind of native token, native coin that's going to be there for everybody to use, to utilize, because it's the best option within there. You know how like if you go to like a Pepsi machine, a Pepsi soda machine, it seems like if you click everything else, I know that they all function under Pepsi, but let's just say that is everything else doesn't really function the right way. But then if you go ahead and get that Pepsi, it seems to always work, and they always have multiple Pepsis that are there, right? So you have I'm not saying that I'm a Pepsi fan, I'm a Coke fan, but either way, if you're looking to go get Coca-Cola, and I'll say Coca-Cola because you never know how YouTube will take it. If you go to Coca-Cola machine and you have all these other options, they have 3 different options for Coca-Cola because most people are looking to go there for Coca-Cola, right? So everything else is not going to be there as much. The same thing for XRP. XRP, if I can compare it to soda, XRP will be sitting here in the background as the better, faster option. No matter what is created, no matter what is developed, XRP will be the better option within those institutions and that connections and those partnerships. So honestly, I believe XRP is going to take over because once they infiltrate, you can now implement whatever you want to implement or just give suggestions. Hey, we have this option over here that seems to work a little bit better. How about you use this? They start using XRP. Every banking system starts using XRP. Every country starts using XRP, and now look what happens. XRP is absolutely utilized to the massive extent that we thought it was going to be. So I'm excited for what XRP will be, and I can't say enough good things about it. The only bad thing that I could say is the fact that we have the escrow that's consistently added. And I know somebody was talking about that, and I want to go through like a whole video to break down kind of that escrow and exactly what I believe is going to come out of it, if it should be something that we truly worry about. But that would be the only gripe, is the fact that you have that escrow there. But I got to answer this phone call. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my Margex link down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.